my new video. Today we are going to be playing with slime. So I got a lot of slime. Let's get on with the video. So first up, I'm going to be playing with these slimes. So this one is bubblegum flavored, and this one is chocolate chip cookie. I love chocolate chip cookie because it smells so good, and if you so it stretches and it sticks together, but it's not sticking to my hands. And it won't stick to my pants at all, and I just love the slime. I love the smell too. And I also love that it's good at bubbling. I also like the noise that it makes, go like this. Okay, so that was chocolate chip cookie, and let's get on to bubblegum. So bubblegum is like the exact same as the chocolate chip cookie one. And I love how it smells, and there are these jelly cubes inside. I started with 5, and today we are going to be squishing 1. Ready? Literally looks like bubblegum. Like inside it's like white. I love how it makes like a little slime after, like hard things. Jelly cube. Yeah, I love the jelly cube. Let's squish another one. Try to get all the slime off of it. Like ASMR. Inside of the jelly cube, it's not wet at all. It's like completely dry. I think maybe it was white, and the slime that they put it in made it pink. Now we also have another half of it. So nice. So this is how the jelly cube slime turned out. There's like all these bumpy things from the jelly cubes. One more jelly cube, and I'll be saving it for later. Yeah, jelly cube slime is really nice. I know this slime you may have seen in my other videos makes really good bubbles, and I'll try with the jelly cube one. Just trying to flatten it out. So obviously the jelly cube slime it doesn't make very good bubbles, and let's mix it in with the other one. It just smells so nice. Okay, let's move on. So this blue slime is homemade, and it's really good at bubbles and stretching and sticking together. almost perfect. It's really good for homemade slime, but it's just really sticky. Ooh, I'm gonna try blowing it up with the straw. Ooh, slime might stick to the straw. I can just get a new one. So my next line it's this cotton candy slime, and if you watched my other video, you could have seen it. It was really sticky. I couldn't even get it out of the box. In that video, I played with it with a fork. It was really sticky. So then I tried to fix it up. I put some baking soda in it, and then it just changed everything. Like, it can't really stretch. But and then it ruined the smell too. But because all the ingredients I was putting it was getting on the outside. And yeah, and now the smell is horrible. And cotton candy, I think it's like room freshener. Yeah. But I like this slime for the color and because it's so big. Yeah, and that's cotton candy slime. This is cookies and cream slime. And I just want you to listen. Yeah, that's from the slime. Yeah. That's why I like this slime. I know it's a jiggly slime, but I still like it. So this slime, in my first video, it was pink, blue, and yellow. And then in one of my videos, I mixed it because it was partially already mixed in a container. I don't really want to mix it all because it just looks nice how it's like rainbowy-ish. I have some, yeah. But now it's turning green, greenish brown. That was slime. Thanks for watching all my slimes. And make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.